You've probably seen the mysterious ads. A small, strange-looking gadget called the Nubbin device that supposedly reacts to touch, senses emotion, wriggles on its own, and behaves like a tiny living creature. Some people online swear it's advanced AI-driven robotics. Others insist it's just an edited gimmick, a toy being marketed as next-gen tech. So now you're asking the real question. Is the Nubbin device actually real, or is it just another viral product boosted by misleading videos in 2026? Welcome back to GigaBits, where we break down trending tech, viral gadgets, and suspicious products to reveal what's authentic and what's pure marketing magic. Today, we're investigating the Nubbin device to discover whether it truly works or if the internet has been fooled again. I spent several days testing the Nubbin device in different environments. I checked its motor functions, reactive sensors, touch response, sound modules, internal mechanics, and how closely its real behavior matches the viral demonstrations online. To get a full comparison, I tested it side by side with other small interactive gadgets like the Fidget Pet Mini, Mouflin AI Companion, Zoomer ChirpBot, and several electronic motion toys sold across Amazon and TikTok shops. I also reviewed user comments, negative reviews, return requests, and community discussions from gadget forums, where people debate whether the Nubbin's behavior is authentic or edited. After all this analysis and direct hands-on testing, I now understand exactly what the Nubbin device is and what it definitely isn't. The Nubbin device is advertised as a micro-animatronic companion with lifelike wiggles, instinctive reactions, adaptive movement patterns, personality development, and emotional expression. These claims raise several important questions. Is the movement actually autonomous? Does it react to touch or sound? Does it learn or adapt like the ad suggests? And is the product customers receive the same as the one shown in videos? Step 1. Movement and motor function. The Nubbin can wiggle, tilt slightly, and make small shifting motions, but these movements are simple motor loops. The smooth, organic, animal-like motions shown in ads are heavily exaggerated. In real use, movement is jerky, limited, and very obviously mechanical. Step 2. Sensory reaction. Promotional videos implied the device reacts to touch, voices, and even the user's emotional tone. In testing, Nubbin only reacts to pressure on a small sensor patch, and even that response is slow and inconsistent. There is no voice detection or emotional AI at all. Step 3. Personality claims. The company claims the device develops personality over time. In reality, it cycles through a handful of pre-programmed motion patterns. Nothing actually evolves or adapts. Step 4. Sound and feedback. Nubbin emits tiny chirp-like digital sounds, but they are pre-recorded audio sequences. Viral clips online include extra audio that does not come from the actual device. Step 5. Build quality. The build quality is lightweight and toy-like. Inside, it uses basic servo motors similar to inexpensive novelty animatronics. The exterior shell looks cute, but durability is low compared to premium robotics. Step 6. Comparing viral videos versus real device. This is where the truth becomes obvious. Movements in ads are sped up or stabilized. Sound design is added in post-production. Some clips appear to be using puppetry or string-assisted motion. Lighting tricks make the device seem more expressive. The real Nubbin can't achieve anything close to the viral behavior. Step 7. Customer feedback. User reviews are extremely mixed. Some customers enjoy it as a quirky fidget-style toy. Others complain that it doesn't move like the ads at all, feels cheap, and stops functioning after light use. Many report disappointment due to misleading marketing. So, is the Nubbin device fake or real? Here's the honest answer. A. It is real. There is a physical device that can wiggle, tilt, and produce small sounds. B. But the behavior shown online is not real. Most of it is enhanced through editing, puppetry, or clever camera tricks. It is not AI, it doesn't learn or adapt, and it doesn't have advanced sensors. Bottom line, the Nubbin device is a novelty animatronic toy, cute, fun for a few minutes, and entertaining as a desk accessory. But if you're expecting the lifelike AI-driven creature shown in advertisements, you'll be disappointed. It's not advanced robotics, just a simple motion gadget wrapped in heavy marketing hype. If this review helped you uncover the truth about the Nubbin device, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits for more real product investigations. And tell me in the comments, do you enjoy these quirky animatronic gadgets, or are they just another trend that's gone too far? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we expose the truth behind viral tech every week.